Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel again. Today I am going to show you exactly how to improve your IELTS speaking skills and reach band 7 or higher, even if you feel shy, nervous or afraid of making mistakes. Let's get started today. First, understand this carefully. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need a native accent. And you do not need complicated words to get band 7. You simply need to speak clearly, confidently, and naturally. One of the biggest secrets to improve fast is speak English every single day, even if it's just 5 minutes. Many learners shy and stay silent because they are shy or they worry about what others will think. But remember, everybody makes mistakes. Even native speakers' mistakes are a noble part of their learnings. So don't be afraid. Just express yourself. Now let me give you some powerful daily exercises and that will help you reach band 7 faster. Number 1, shadowing. Listen to a native speaker and repeat exactly what they say. This improves fluency, pronunciation, and rhythm. Number 2, record yourself. Choose a topic and speak for 2 minutes. Then listen back and notice your pronunciation and hesitations. Number 3, practice real IELTS topics. Talk about your hometown, your hobbies, technology, travel, education. These common topics are again and again in the exam. Number 4, learn 5 useful phrases every day. For example, in my opinion, generally speaking, it depends on the situation. I strongly believe that. To be honest, these phrases help you sound natural and organized. Now, here are some common mistakes you should avoid. Don't memorize full answers. Examiners can tell immediately. Don't speak too fast or too slow. Find your natural pace and never give short answers like yes or no answers. Always explain your ideas. Finally, try to find speaking partners, people who are also learning English and who are willing to practice with you regularly. The more you speak, the more confident and fluent you become. If you follow these tips every day, I assure you will improve and you can reach band 7 in IELTS speaking. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe and share your questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you. Cheers.